show me the banana. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with my monthly faves video. As always, this is my fifth monthly fave video, and you guys are really liking these videos and you keep asking me about these videos, so here I am. One of my goals for this year on YouTube is that I will post these videos every month. I really want to go like a whole year posting these monthly fave videos. I don't know, it's just a random thing in my mind. Okay, first of all, what is this lighting? I hated absolutely a big no-no from me. I always make videos in natural and daylight. I avoid artificial and ring lights at any cost. And today I have to make this video in ring light because if I switch off the light, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, so sorry. It's raining, hallelujah. It's getting really cold and cloudy and stuff, and it's getting really bad over here, and it's gonna be like this for a while, and I cannot postpone my videos anymore. I have to adjust with what's going on, so I have to resort to these shitty ring lights. I'm sorry. Also, thank you so much guys for all your love throughout the last year, and also I really hope you keep watching me this year as well. And I am gonna make sure that I never go inactive this year. Like, it's one of my other goals. So let's start with my monthly faves. Yeah, my makeup fave for this month is my absolute lovely Makeup Forever concealer. I am in LOVE over this. Like, concealer is actually kind of expensive for my liking. It's almost 2,500 rupees. It's so worth it. If you guys know me, you know I don't spend too much on makeup, but this is one of my most prized possessions right now. I really like it. I will give you a little demonstration on how magically this works. It's not like those concealers I used to use before. Every concealer I have used so far always kept my under eyes gray because I have like significant dark circles and nothing would work. Like, no concealer would ever hide them. And right now if you see, it's like, of course nothing is perfect. Like, if you like zoom in too much, if you wanna like zoom in too much, you can still see my eye bags and stuff. That's because I have not applied a lot of makeup, but this works so good and it's so easy to apply, and I don't have to do 5 extra steps of color correcting and powder and you know stuff. This is in the shade 3.2. Wow, I'm so glad I purchased it. This has to be my monthly fave. This has to be my yearly fave. I don't care, I love it. My skincare favorite for this month is not actually skincare thing, it's actually a hair removing thing for my face. This is a hair removing pen from Braun. It's a German company, and they also have epilators and stuff. I also have their epilator, which I love so much. It's extremely painless and it works like in 2 minutes. It's gone, and you can use it for your peach fuzz and your upper lips and stuff. I use it for my upper lips because I don't have that much peach fuzz anyway. This is so easy to use. I use it like once a week or once in 2 weeks, and it's good to go. They have really good reviews on Nika as well. I have no idea how this works because, you know, German technologies, I don't know what they put in their machines, but they are amazing. It's so much more worth it and pain-free. No pain of waxing or threading, and if you are a razor user, it's not dangerous. Like, you can cut yourself with a razor or something. There's nothing like that with this. You can just, you know, so yay, it deserves to be here. If you follow me on Snapchat, you already kind of know what my current jams are because I keep posting them all the time. My favorite song last month was So Hot You're Hurting My Feelings by Caroline Polachek. It's an old song, like it came out in 2019, but I heard it for the first time last month. I was just scrolling Twitter and I saw this really beautiful girl, which is Coraline, actually did this a little dance thing. I really liked the song in it, so I was like, what song is that? And then I went to YouTube and I checked, and that song was It's called So Hot You're Hurting My Feelings. It has a little cute hook that I may or may not do right now. to me. You're the only one who knows me, babe. This is such an addictive song. Like, once you hear it, you're like, show me the banana. I also discovered another rendition of the song, which is by Squirrel Flower, which is a very slowed and sadder version of this. I think both the songs are incomparable because the vibe is very different. Get a little lonely. Get a little more close to me. Apart from that, I really like SZA's I Hate You. It is such a vibey song. That's a different thing that I have literally nobody in mind when I sing it. But the hook is so, If you wonder if I hate you, also, some other honorable mentions are Nothing New by Taylor Swift and Phoebe Bridgers. Like, Taylor has to be there or it's not happening. And Save Your Tears remix, The Weeknd and Ariana. This version is so much better. And Tu Aake Dekh Le by King. This month's favorite movie, it has to be Don't Look Up. I can actually make a full-on video about Don't Look Up, but I won't. So hear me out right now. Don't Look Up is actually a satire, dark comedy slash true events supposed to happen, and it features Leonardo DiCaprio and Jennifer Lawrence in lead roles. Super amazing, Oscar-winning. People love them so much. So this movie is about a comet that is about to hit the earth, like for sure, and how humans behave about it, like how they react to it, how the government reacts to it, how the billionaires react to it. What is going on in the movie is very much relatable right now. It made me really angry because that's exactly how we behave. Let's take COVID for example. I know after COVID hit, everybody make memes and jokes about it. Like, memes and jokes are fine. Like, I laughed at them too. Like, it's okay. Like, that what helps us to actually chill and calm down and cope. Like, we can't be sad forever, of course. But the problem is when people actually start refusing and rejecting what's good for them. Like, they are not listening to the scientists. People are not getting vaccinated, people are not wearing masks, you're not ready to believe the actual scientists. It really makes your eyes open and wants you to see what's happening. I really do not give a single shit about cinematography or editing and stuff. That's what people are criticizing it for. I really don't understand why. The message is very loud and clear in this movie. I think you gotta watch it. Like, you have to watch it. Spoiler alert, they actually could have saved it, but they didn't because of their own benefits. So yeah, there's a lot to unpack in this movie. I really do not want to go political over here, but please watch that movie if you want to educate yourself. I've also started watching Emily in Paris this month, literally yesterday. I just watched like one episode and I'm not liking it so far, but it's only like one episode and I'm hearing a lot of things. People are really hating on it after season 2 and I just want to watch, like a hate watch kind of thing, I just want to see what the hype is about, because last time I heard people hating on a show, it was Never Have I Ever. Like, they were hating on Devi. I really ended up liking it, so let me see what happens with Emily in Paris. Sorry for interruption, but I already binge watched season 1 last night because I couldn't stop watching, so it's kind of nice. And I'm on season 2 episode 3 as I'm filming this, and I will probably finish it when this video is out. So I guess that's it, guys. I really hope you like it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you liked this video too much, then maybe subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.